Thank you so much.
Hello guys, and welcome back. And so I'm here with, guess who it is? Dillon McClure.
Hello guys, hello.
So he's flown he's flown all the way from the UK just to see me. No, I'm kidding guys. He's flown all the way from the UK just to visit the Philippines, and so he's coming across to our house tomorrow in Guimaras. And just get this gate closed. But I'm in the, I think it's called the Villa Carolinas, a subdivision of Iloilo. So myself and Tina met with Dillon earlier, and she's away doing grocery shopping. She'll be going back home today and get the house in order, because it's only been a couple of days since we got it sorted because of the flood. But so I'm staying the night in this beautiful house, Riverside. What's this called? Riverside?
It's called House for Rent.
Oh.
Iloilo Arevalo.
Okay, house for rent. Iloilo Arevalo. So yeah, check it out, guys. It has a nice, nice veranda, nice terrace to sit on. Is that 2 floors? Yeah.
It is.
Two floors. 2 floors, guys. A nice place to park your car if you drive as well. So let's go inside and see what there is. Wow. Check this out.
I'm going to try and get the lights on for you now.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Wow, this is really nice, guys. I haven't seen. See, my house back home, back in Barrio, is basically a just one full room. So it's nice to see something like this. I'll take the rucksack off and put it down on the floor. I'll take my slippers off as well, because
that's what we'll get, like the upstairs lights and stuff.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. So let's have a look around and see what there is.
So Dean is here, guys.
Or I think I will wait for Dillon to come back down and give me a tour. Okay guys, so I have my tour guide right here. He's going to give me a tour of the house.
Hi guys, how's it going? Let's go. I'll start off outside. Buddy.
Outside? Okay. Okay. So let's
get your slippers on.
Yeah.
So outside, basically, so we came in through there. Your guys have probably seen that.
Yeah, yeah.
There's like here, this like sort of nice shrubbery, greenery area.
Wow.
That you can just sort of look out at from the upper bedroom, which we'll see later.
Yeah.
So that's quite nice. Like, but then just obviously, you guys have already seen this part of this.
You have the water tower up there.
Water tower. So we do, yeah.
Yeah. Have you not noticed that yet? No.
No, I don't know if it's for the shower or not. I don't know.
Well, basically it pumps the water into the house, into the, so that's where all your water comes from. So, like for the taps and stuff.
Cool,
yeah,
cool.
Yeah.
I don't know if the barbecue stuff works.
Okay.
Like, I don't know if we need to like light it or something,
Yeah.
but it's like plugged in, but
yeah, so they have gas and they have a stove there. So yeah, so you can cook outside, guys, if you want to, on the gas powered stove.
But yeah, like then the kitchen, I think I've got all the lights that I can put on. There we go. We've got a fridge,
yeah,
which is great, which has got full of water and like there's actually iced tea in that, even though it says it's cooked. But anyway,
recycling, guys. Yes. Recycling. Microwave. It's always handy to have. Microwave, guys.
TV area with like, sorry guys, just like wrecking the place here. But these things, they opened in.
Oh yeah, the windows.
Well, you usually do anyway.
Yeah.
There.
Happy days. Just what you need.
I think that one's just like that.
Yeah. A nice cupboard there. Oh, you've got a sink there as well. So this is the kitchen area?
Kitchen area, yeah. Excuse the mess, guys. I have been here for like 2 days anyway. Yeah. And for our 2 bedroom areas, so like we've both got aircon.
Okay.
We're kind of basic in here and everything.
Yeah.
But again, these actually do work here. And they open if you do need like extra air in or whatever.
Cold in here, guys. It's cold.
It is. It's one of the coldest rooms.
Yeah.
Like, so
happy days. Cupboards as well. Yeah.
Cupboards.
Nice painting. Nice painted design of the wall.
Yeah, I think the owner must be like an artist or something like.
Okay.
I think because you'll see that in a moment, but we'll maybe save that for a moment actually.
Yeah. There's some nice Bible verses scattered about the place as well. Like there's one here from the Bible. Always put your hope in God. That kind of thing.
Yeah. Yeah. There's even that shrine behind you too.
Okay. So that's a spare room there. You're not.
Yeah, both of these rooms.
So it's how many bedrooms does it have?
3 bedrooms in total. Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty cool, guys. I wish I could have a 3-bedroom house.
Don't we all?
Yeah.
All the time. But like, look at that view just from in here. Like, you can sit and have your dinner and then just like look out there. And everything.
Splendid.
Very, very nice.
Yeah.
If you want, I suppose you can come out here.
Yeah, take a look.
I will try and fix it, but this is like the main flipping place.
Wow. Guys, look at this. That is lovely. Come on. Like, that is such a good view. You're right along the river. It's very nice, very beautiful. Imagine just, I suppose you've sat out here eating and having your dinner and just enjoying the view of the river.
A bowl of cereal, a cup of coffee for me. You know, as a single dude living by himself here, you know, cereal and coffee like that.
And so you're here for 3 nights, aren't you?
3 nights. This is my last night with my good buddy Dean here with me, which is great. So yeah, it's nice to have the company, 100%.
Yeah. So how much was this for 3 nights? Just.
I think so. It's £26 a night, so like 87.
About 87 pesos. No, not.
87 pounds, so like $100 maybe, which would maybe be.
In pesos, we'll work that out for you later, guys.
I'll work that afterwards.
Yeah, we'll add that in afterwards. So.
But like this artwork I was telling you about.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
That's
like,
beautiful.
Yeah. So I don't know if she is an artist or not, like, or if they pay someone else to do it, like. But.
And is this place always for rent? Is it?
Yeah, always for rent. Like,
so
I mean, like, I looked at it and they had it available like a lot of the time actually. But hopefully, if these videos do well, that might not be the case. But hopefully not the case whenever we try to book it in the future, or if I do, because I think I'd definitely be that.
Yeah, guys, if you're looking for a place to stay in Iloilo and you don't want to stay in the city, if you're looking for some kind of house, then this place by the river is quite beautiful. It's quite pretty. I definitely, I think it's really nice, and Dillon can really recommend it. He's already stayed here already.
It's very peaceful. You get a good sleep.
Yeah.
I'll close this so that for our bugs, we are out in the middle of like the Philippines, guys. So.
I'm used to bugs, guys. We have bugs back in Siberia and Guimaras, so it's not too bad.
And there's just a bathroom, like it's only a bathroom, like, but I will show you. Oh, the lighting isn't great in here, like. Oh, the bidet. So right, so we're in the bathroom. They do have a bidet, and pretty much the pressure, it starts off like low, and then all of a sudden, after doing it a minute, it just builds up so much speed.
Wow, there you go, guys.
Like, be careful with that, like. The shower pressure, like, I haven't really tried this one because there is a shower upstairs. I can't remember.
That shower looks pretty low down for you to actually use. It seems to be. You wouldn't be able to really use that one if you're trying to get your head under it.
Ah, there we go.
Oh, it works okay.
I think then the pressure does come on more as with the thing afterwards, guys. So. But anyways, only a bathroom, I suppose.
Yeah, well, it's quite a nice bathroom. Just the lighting is a bit dark, but that's okay. You only go there to take a shower and do your toilet as well.
But these windows, I really like.
Yeah. What was that?
That was just the window and the door thing. I really like these windows, just the like artwork on them.
They're very like stained windows as well. Kinds of very nice.
The stairs, man.
Stairs
coming up.
Yeah.
And then even it was this door that was slamming. So.
It's okay.
But wow. There.
Wow.
How cool is that?
That's awesome.
You should get your head out the window too, like.
Yeah.
It's so interesting.
Yeah, just keep it looking there. Wow, guys, check this out. I probably look so strange putting my head out the window, but anyway. Nice.
Absolutely beautiful.
Nice view, yeah. Very good. So there's a few slums just across the way there as well, isn't there?
Yeah, families living there, children playing at night and everything. Really, really nice.
Yeah.
Excuse the mess in here.
No problem.
I have again been sleeping here the past few nights. So.
Okay. Wow.
So obviously the bed isn't made, but it does have these cool sheets on them.
Yeah.
Cool. So it's like the dream sort of thing. If you know what I mean.
All you need now is a Filipino wife, and then you're.
That's exactly it, man.
You're set. You've got the house, and you bring your Filipino.
Place to have, did you?
Like, take your wife. Yeah. Wow, guys, this is lovely. Beautiful. Yeah. So is that another CR? I think that's the other CR for you there, the other bathroom.
Yeah. I think it's okay. Let's double check. Yeah, it's all good in here. Here, mate. I've got the foam, the only foam that we can actually get. Why is it that we can only get this foam here? Yeah,
guys. I mean, we were talking about this earlier. Trying to find shaving foam in the Philippines is quite difficult. That seems to be the only one we can find.
I know.
Whereas back home we have a lot more options when it comes to shaving foam. So you've got a nice cupboard there, and then the CR here, it's lovely.
CR bidet is pretty much similar.
Yeah. Wow, it's very powerful.
Very, very, very powerful.
Yeah.
And the showers, that's the only thing, they're a wee bit cold to begin with. But once they've been on, they have to be on for like a good 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And then they start to warm up a wee bit, but I find I just like, I'm so warm anyway, but I like to like cool down, and then by the time I'm starting to enjoy my shower, it's gotten warm.
Oh, really?
So at that point I can have my shave and whatever, and do the things that you enjoy doing in the shower, like shaving, so.
Well, in the Philippines, warm showers, I just have cold. Basically, when you come to our house in Guimaras, there won't be any warm showers, it'll all be cold, so you have to...
as long as I can pour it over my head, I think I'll be okay. Like, there's not really much of a view out there, it's just sort of like the rest of the area, if you know what I mean.
Okay.
But just so your guys can see that.
Yeah, this is a pretty nice house, guys, I really like it. Maybe give me some ideas for if we ever are able to afford to redevelop our house or move house and buy land somewhere else.
That for you, man. 100%.
Yeah. I don't know if I would live by a river now, based on my experience of flooding in Savario. You just never know, but I think.
Sure it's put you off, like,
man. I think for us, we probably would. Me and Tina would probably actually live sort of on a hill. Right. So in case any water slopes down, it just runs off onto the road. Yeah, so a hill by a road, our house on a hill, a road in front of us, and then we don't have to worry.
The road, you've got somewhere you can go and get water if the worst happens. But then the hill, so it doesn't happen to your actual house too. Yeah, because like people have seen our vlogs where our house is. It's kind of in the middle of a field, so you have to walk the road through the field, through the muddy area to get to our house, which in the long term isn't great. So obviously for us it's a long-term thing, what we're thinking about where we're actually going to live in the future, because it's not our final home, guys. It's not our final home. No worries. That's my fault. Or the house's fault.
It's the house's fault. So it's a nice house, guys, and I'm looking forward to resting here for the night and just enjoying it.
Show them the stairs. Up here. It's
the stairs.
Nice. But then down here, this wee like overlook area you've got.
Wow. Try not to fall down,
yeah. Keep hold of the GoPro.
I know, I don't want to drop the GoPro, guys. But yeah, this looks good, so I think I will wrap up this vlog. I think we've seen everything, haven't we? So
I think so.
So I'll wrap up this vlog, guys, and we'll see you in the next content. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye guys. Bye.